Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to dive into the Lenovo ThinkPad E16 Gen 2 laptop, and I have to say, I was a bit skeptical at first. But as I dug deeper, I realized this little powerhouse is exactly what you need for work or play. First, let's talk about size and weight. This laptop is compact, measuring just 14.02 by 9.75 by 0.78 inches, and weighing in at 3.9 pounds. That's perfect for tossing into a backpack or purse for a day out on the go. And don't worry, despite its slender frame, it still packs a punch when it comes to performance. Now, under the hood, we've got an AMD Ryzen 77735HS processor. What does that mean? In plain English, this means you're getting a fast and efficient processor that can handle demanding tasks like video editing or gaming with ease. The 8 cores and 16 threads, that's a total of 24 processing units. Make it perfect for multitasking, too. But the real showstopper here is the display. We've got a beautiful 16-inch WUXGA screen with 300 nits of brightness and an IPS anti-glare finish. That means you'll get clear, vivid colors even in bright lighting conditions, and with a 45% NTSC color gamut, it's perfect for graphic designers or photographers who need accurate colors. And speaking of graphics, we've got integrated AMD Radeon 680M graphics on board. Now, I know what you're thinking. Integrated means less power than a dedicated GPU. But trust me, this thing is a beast. It handles games and video playback with ease, and it's also great for creative tasks like photo editing or video rendering. But what really sets the ThinkPad E16 apart is its security features. We've got a discrete TPM 2.0 chip that prevents startup in case of unauthorized access to your internal components, which means your files are safe and sound. And with a Kensington Nano security slot, you can lock up your laptop with a cable or chain if you're out and about. Now, let's talk about storage and memory. We've got a 1TB PCIe NVMe M.2 SSD, which is blisteringly fast. Think loading games and programs in seconds instead of minutes. And with 16GB DDR5 SDRAM memory, you'll have plenty of room to run multiple apps at once without slowing down. And then there's connectivity, Wi-Fi 6E, 802.11 at times 2x2. And Bluetooth 5.3 mean you're covered for wireless connectivity no matter where you are. We've also got a range of USB ports, including USB PD 3.0 and DisplayPort 1.4, which support fast charging and high-resolution displays. But what really gets me excited about this laptop is its keyboard. The Backlit English, EU, keyboard is perfect for working in dim environments. It's like having your own personal spotlight on your workspace. And with a touch-style fingerprint reader integrated into the power button, you can log in quickly and securely without having to remember another password. Finally, we've got Windows 11 Professional 64-bit installed out of the box, which means you'll have access to all the latest features and security updates. And with its high-definition audio capabilities and stereo speakers, this laptop is perfect for music lovers or anyone who wants a great listening experience. So there you have it, the Lenovo ThinkPad E16 Gen 2 laptop is an absolute powerhouse that checks all the boxes when it comes to performance, portability, and security. And at insert price. It's an incredible value. Check out the link below for the best price on this amazing laptop. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.